Yeah. I'ma drop this classic shit. Yeah. New Burn legend on the clock. Rest in peace to my niggas that rap. Freak Train in heaven. And he rapped about Theo, Bill Cosby, Mrs. Theo on the Cosby Show. Yeah, and I pray that I see you at the gate in heaven. Yeah, rest in peace to Tupac. Rest in peace to B.I.G. Rest in peace to Big L. Yeah, Jesus, I hope I meet you at the gate. Rest in peace to Big L. Yeah, rest in peace to Heavy D and the boys in the magazine. Southgate nigga for life. Yeah, rest in peace to New Burn Clock Tower. Yeah. Rest in peace to all my niggas that died today in the graveyard. Yeah, and I got left the stinking memories when I used to smoke that stinking weed in the car. Yeah, me and my niggas smoking weed in my car. Rest in peace to Freak Train. Rest in peace to Dante Buck. Rest in peace to Canaro. Rest in peace to John Murphy. Rest in peace to my nigga Flu. Rest in peace to Corey Spidey. Rest in peace to my nigga James. And he used to make a beat in hip-hop. Yeah, I'ma drop this classic. You know what I'm saying? I miss all y'all niggas. I wish y'all niggas was alive. New Burn Clock! City on! Burn it up, nigga! On the clock, motherfucker! The fine ass women, fuck with the God legend music. The king of hip hop, baby. God legend to the New Burn Clock. City on. All my niggas in the graveyard. I wish I could bring y'all niggas back to life. All I got left is stinking memories and drunk days that I used to drink liquor with my thugs. Stinking memories! Lord, all I got is stinking memories. Thing I got is stinking memories.